Welcome once again to Vintage King Motorsports. Today we're taking a close look at a vintage Homelite Super Easy Automatic. A truly really nice vintage Homelite saw. No cracked, damaged, or broken cases. The original Homelite bar with a very good chain. Has excellent spark. Compression is 160 psi. It will need a carburetor rebuild, possibly fuel lines, and a full tune-up, including an air filter element. Overall, a really nice saw. Great for your collection or to use for parts. Click on the link below for more pictures and details of this fine vintage Homelite Super Easy Automatic, or to buy it now. You can buy this right now for $149.99 plus shipping. $149.99 plus shipping puts this on your doorstep anywhere in the US. We also sell anywhere in the world using eBay international shipping, so don't hesitate. If you need or want this saw, it's yours. All you have to do is click on Buy It Now. Remember folks, quality and price are our hallmarks. We don't sell junk. Vintage King Motorsports, when quality and price matter most.